Good morning, children. Today's our grammar topic is articles. You know, there are mainly three articles a, an, and the. Let's see in detail how they are categorized into different types. Yes, so here first we have to know about what is article. First we have to clear about what is article. Yes, so basically articles are either definite or indefinite. They are definite or indefinite. They combine to a noun to indicate the type of reference being made by the noun. And why they are combining? They are combining to noun to indicate the type of reference being made by the noun. Yes, so there are mainly how many types of articles? Two, definite and indefinite. So definite article is called as the. Yes, it is a definite. Yes, and here indefinite article. Indefinite article is a and an. Yes, these both are comes under indefinite article, and the is comes under definite article, or it is called as definite article. Yes, now you are clear about. Now how to use these articles? Let's see. So here indefinite article which are, yes, a or, yes, a and. So here see which one do I choose? Here you have confusion. Now a, whether we have to use a or whether we have to use an. Let's see when to use a and when to use an. So here first we are using a or an when it's the first time something is mentioned. If something is mentioned already, for that we can use a or an. So here see, I met a smart doctor. I work in a factory in New York. I borrowed a pencil from her. I saw a movie. Yes, so these things are already mentioned here. Yes, so one more example. See here, with job also we are using a. Yes, job means like profession. Yes, so here Lou's mother is a doctor. Edwin is a pilot. Here Marcella is a dancer. Orlando is a butcher. Lyra is a fashion designer. Jesus is a Shark Tank cleaner. Claudia is a makeup artist. So here A we are using with the different job profiles. Got it? Next. Even A is used before a consonant sound word. Consonant sound. Consonant which are they? Yes. See here A, E, I, O, U. These are 5 vowels. And remaining all are consonant. Yes. So here with the consonant sound we are using A. Like a dog, a pilot, a union, a teacher, a university. Yes. See these. Got it? Next. Now an. And we are using before the vowel sound words. See, vowel sound which are they? A, E, I, O, U. An engineer, an elephant, an athlete, an orange, an igloo. A, E, I, O, U. These vowel sound words. For that we are using an. Now it's a time to use the. Where to use this article? The. It is a definite article. Let's see. So when we are mention something for the first time, we use a or an. Yes, we are already mentioned something, and for that we are using a or an. And the next time we repeat this object, we use the definite article the. Suppose we already mentioned something before that, for that we are using a or an, and again we want to repeat that object, so we are using the article. Let's see example. I live in a house. The house is quite old and has four bedrooms. So here already we are mentioned about this house. I lived in a house, and how it was? Yes, the house is quite old and has four bedrooms. So here already house mentioned here. Next, I ate in a Chinese restaurant. I ate in a Chinese restaurant. This Chinese restaurant already mentioned here. And the restaurant was very good. And again we are using the, because once again we are repeating about this restaurant. Yes. Next, I bought a car. The car is red. I bought a car. Already I bought a car. Now again the car is red. She went to a farm. The farm was really big according to her. So here farm. Here farm already we mentioned. Yes. And now for repetition we are using the. Got it? Next. Again when we are using the. See here. When there are only unique things. Only unique things means there is only one. So you know which things are only one in this universe? Yes. So the sun. The sun rose at 6:70 this morning. So see the sun. Sun is unique thing. So for that we are using the. You can go anywhere in the world. So in the also, because word is a unique thing. Clouds drift across the sky. Sky also unique thing. The president will be speaking on TV tonight. The president. This president also unique thing is there. So for that we are using the. The CEO of Total is coming to our meeting. CEO. The CEO. He is also unique thing here. The moon is, see here, the moon is a brilliant today. So the moon is also unique thing. For that we are using the. When these unique things are there, for that we are using the. Next, again with the superlatives. So you just remember it. There are 3 degrees. Yes, comparative, positive, and superlative. So for the superlative degree we are using the. Yes. So here, this is the highest building in the New York. She read the best chapter of the book. You are the tallest person in our class. This is the worst moment in to travel. We have the most beautiful beaches. So here the highest, the best, the tallest, the worst, and the most beautiful. Yes, these are, yes, superlative degrees words. So we are using the with them. Next, again, see here, we are using the with the countries and have the plural names kingdom or republics. So we are using the with these countries. When you are mentioning the name of the country, you have to use the. I have never been to the Netherlands. Do you know anyone who lives in the Philippines? She really loves the United States. She went last year to the United Kingdom. I would love to visit the Czech Republic. So these all, for this unique things or country we are using the. Next, even with the rivers, with the seas, with the oceans and the desert, for mentioning their name or describing their name we are using the article. Okay, see here. The, here see here, the Magdalena River, the Sahara Desert, the Pacific Ocean, and the Black Sea. So these all rivers, seas, and ocean and desert name. So for that also we are using the. Next one, to describe where in a country or city. So for describing the country or the city, we are using the article. You have to visit the south of France. They lived in the north of the city. They will go the west of the states. For that also we are using the article. Yes. Next one. Now zero article. Zero article means what? When there is a not necessary of any article is called as zero article. Got it? Now see here examples. When making generalizations with the plural or uncountable noun, we don't necessary any article. Music is great to have fun. So here the music, a music, no, not necessary. Only we can write directly music is a great to have fun. Shoes are more expensive than sandals. Shoes are more expensive than the sandals. Butter is bad for our health. Butter is bad. Women are more intelligent than men. Men are stronger than women. So in these sentences, there is no necessary of any article. So these are called as zero article. Got it? So thank you for watching this video. What we learn in today's class? Yes, there are three articles, a, and the, and they are comes under two types, that is definite article and indefinite article. Indefinite article which one? A and an, and definite article is the. So as per their uses we have seen some examples, some sentences. So what you have to do, your homework is you have to write 5 example for each and every article. Got it? Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye bye. Take care.